In the morning.
So I've been here working in my office, and the girls just came in. And what do you want to show me?
Our zoo.
Your
Come
zoo. Oh man, I don't know if I
Watch
should
out
be.
when you're coming through.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see a little penguin.
And Douglas behind a small.
That horse's name is Douglas.
The black one, Nightmare. And this one's called Sun.
Oh, and a little chicken. Oh, look at the cute little turtle snuggling.
And do you see the little chipmunk?
Oh my goodness. Oh look, there's another penguin.
No, that's an owl.
I mean, that's an owl. I should know I bought it for him. And I think I showed you guys on.
There's a troll.
So there's, let me see a cute squirrel.
It's a chipmunk.
And some kitties.
And did you know that got kitty hair?
And a troll.
It got kitty hair.
And what's her name? Do you remember?
Poppy.
Princess Poppy.
Well, she got kitty hair, so.
She has kitty hair. What does that mean?
Kitty hair.
What do you mean?
Troll kitty hair. Troll kitty hair.
You know what I think? I think you girls are very creative. Oh, I didn't see the monkeys. Oh my goodness. Are they married? Is that husband and wife?
These two.
Oh my goodness. Tiger.
And did you see the beautiful girl?
Very cool.
I saw like slapping the snake in the head. I mean in the eye. Don't get a place chicken.
I swear I have the most creative and fun girls imaginable. You girls are so awesome.
This is actually my first step. Now we're going to play in the water.
Okay, bye.
So I'm going to film the Merida wig, so you can't wait to see. Here it is. Kind of hilarious. Right there. Right here.
Hey kiddo, what are we getting ready to go do? We're going what?
We're gonna go to the park and go play.
Yeah, are you excited? What about you kiddo? Are you excited?
Yep.
So we're having a hard time figuring out these gloves.
Oh my goodness, you look so adorable though.
Listen, keep all your other fingers together and then keep your thumb separate. You can stop moving that one in there. Okay,
The
try.
difficulties of parenting.
You're doing it again! Capri, this is the thumb's home. Only the thumb. These are all your other fingers home. Okay? Push your hand in. Is the only thumb in there? Yay!
Good job, Mom.
This is really tight. Really tight. These ones are so better.
Sweetie, those will
You
get
can't-
soaking wet. You
Yeah.
can't wear those.
You can't wear those. You have to wear these or else.
Izzy,
you're not playing this now.
tell Sissy, hurry up. Let's go.
Capri.
Let's go play.
Well, can I go get dressed and having fun in the snow?
Libby, Libby. Go, go, go. Hi, cutie pie. All right, I'm gonna try sledding down the hill now.
Hey.
Oh no! Oh no! I thought it was gonna... Girls, what did you think? Is this so fun? Okay, I want you girls to drag the sled back up to the top. Dang, look at that girl. She's so strong. Okay, now walk to the top. Oh, she doesn't need any help. Everything you dreamed it would
Oh
be?
yeah, I was flying.
Whoa, so fast, bro! So, girls, what do you think? Do you love the snow? Is it so much fun?
Yeah.
You kind of got some boogies going on, both of you. Love you, girls. All right. She's trying to go sledding with Libby. Oh, and maybe Sammy. This is awesome. No, get Libby, get Libby. Okay.
Hey! Come here! You wanna come down?
You ready? Okay.
Go!
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
Oh, I should have filmed it from the...
You do it again.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, here in the board. Girls, what are you doing over here? Oh, you want me to slide you? Man, it's so cold. I have my glove off to film. It's a really bad idea. It's super cold. Girls, what'd you think? Is that so fun? You want to go home? How come? You getting cold? Capri, you want to go home too, baby? Or do you just like being here eating the snow? You little weirdo.
The snow taste is disgusting.
Yeah, probably. So you want me to put the leaf in your hat? Alright, let's do it. Oh, you got 2 leaves in there, huh? Is that pretty special? Your feet are? Maybe we need to get some warmer socks for you.
My feet are also really cold.
Alright, well, that's good to know. So we need to get some warmer socks for them, because both of them have cold feet right now.
Okay. We'll get warm socks then.
Just so you know.
Okay. It's cold out here.
It is cold. Izzy really wants to go home, so
Okay.
we should probably head home.
I think Libby's getting tired too.
Which was the goal.
Kinda.
Alright, girls, you ready to go home? Alright, let's go, kiddos. Libby, are you ready to go home? Well, that was our first snow day of the year.
Yep.
Yep, I mean, it snowed yesterday, but today's the first day we really played in it. It was a ton of fun. Girls, what did you think?
It's super duper fun.
What did you think, Izzy?
Fun.
Are you girls kind of cold now?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have hot chocolate?
My toesies are freezing.
I know, we gotta get some warm socks for you. You girls want hot chocolate when we get home?
Yeah.
All
I
right.
wish you bought us more.
How we never got these?
Oh my gosh, that was the funniest thing ever. Hi, Capri. Do you like your T-Rex costume?
Yeah.
It's Isabel's turn to be a little T-Rex. Go run around, Izzy. Just don't run into Mr. Pheasant. What the heck?